making a power tape block. So take one foam block and wrap it with conductive tape. You need to go all the way around the block . Then cut the tape. Then put a second piece of tape on, parallel to the first one. Again, go all the way around the tape block. It's better if they're smooth, but it doesn't matter that much. Then take a battery carrier, put your finger over the small silver piece in the bottom and push it in so that one pin is in each of the pieces of tape. The battery has a positive side, so you should be able to see the plus as you're pushing it in to the battery carrier.